Hello guys, this is Sly from the Cardias Lounge. This is a list of top 10 apps for your ITEL device. Number 1. 2G, 3G and 4G switch. This is an app that is absolutely necessary if you're a user and you like to switch your networks regularly according to where you are, your location. This is an app for you, and it is amazing and very fast, very small. It's about 400 kbs. Check it out guys, it's really useful. And just a quick note, to number 2 is a music app, Purser. Now Purser is a simple but very unique music app. The quality is amazing. You have your album ads and everything else you would expect from a music player. Now this is a gallery app. Number 3, we have this little gallery app called Quick Pick. Now Quick Pick is an amazing but simple to use app. It's a gallery app. It loads really quickly and it's got a lot of features, including cloud coverage, and you have your cover ads. You can use covers. And number 4, we have Trivia Star. This is a trivia game which is about 5,000 questions and very interesting, and it's got a lot of categories. As you can see here, you can switch these up with the money you earn, and it's really something to upgrade your memory with. There are some questions here that I didn't even know existed, and some historical factors, and it's amazing. Check it out guys. This is Trivia Star for your ITEL Android device. Number 5, you have MX Player. This is a multimedia player. It plays a lot of formats. It's like the Swiss knife of players on Android. I know there are a lot of players, but this one really is interesting. It's snappy and quite straightforward to use. It's got a lot of codexes, and you can personalize it the way you want, and it plays a lot of formats. I don't even have to convert most of the videos, and it's really snappy. And as you can see here, it's playing it's got all those codecs. You can switch from hardware plus to software plus. Get it, you will not regret it. Now here's a master to it all, and I am using this to edit this video. I'm actually using this app to edit this video guys, on the go, on the fly. Wow, I couldn't believe this when I first got it. It's amazing. I didn't even know it would work on my simple ITEL device. It's like 1 gig RAM, the CPU isn't that good, but I'm able to do really amazing stuff with this. I mean, this video alone can prove this. And I mean, this is not the best quality video because I'm teaching myself how to use this app, but come on, video editing on your smartphone. KineMaster guys, it's amazing. Get it? It's about 80 megabytes. Number 7, we have the best file explorer on Android, hands down. You'll not find it on the store. They removed it for some reason, but this has been it for me for years now, since my first Android phone. You cannot regret this. It's got so many features. I'm able to stream files from my computer to the phone while I'm outside using this app. I don't even use USB codes anymore. I can just copy using this simple but sophisticated file explorer for Android. There'll be a video about how you can do that, but there's plenty of videos how you can do that on YouTube as well. As you can see, you have your cloud cover, and I have this black theme. The usual theme is usually blue. You can change the themes. You can compress file and compress them, change the dot executables on this, and you can write code using this. It has a trash bin in case you have deleted something. And as you can see, these are some of the features. You have your music, videos, apps, images, cleaner. You have your cloud coverage, loggers, cast. You can cast, of course. You have your drives, and it's amazing. Your network stuff. You can even share files using this app with the Sender app. View on PC, it's got a download manager. You can even encrypt your files, guys. This is a must-have, and you will not in any way regret this. I don't know why they removed it on the App Store, but this app has been tremendous to me. You can analyze your MC, see what's eating up your internal memory as well as your memory card storage. And next we have WPS Office. This is number 8, guys. For all those guys who like to have their documents on the go and edit them on the go, it's got all these formats, doc documents and PowerPoint, PDF, spreadsheets. It's really a professional app, and it does it in a really simplistic way. I know my phone is slow. As you can see, to load up that document, it took a bit of time, but as you can see, it works tremendously well, and it's a must get for your iTel or any other Android device. And the reason why I'm saying iTel a lot is because I'm using one and it's not really that good, so it's hard to find apps that work. That's why I did this video, to show you guys that some apps actually do work on a simple device like this, on a cheap low end device. We're talking about 1 gigs of RAM and mediatek chip that they have on there, only 3G. So for us, like me, I'm Malawian, and this is what I could afford with what I make for work. And this app has helped me a lot. When somebody sends over a document, I can simply just open it, even from WhatsApp. And that's WPS Office. Next on here we have Asphalt Nitro. This is number 9. There are not a lot of gamers where I live in my country, but this is pretty straightforward, and a lot of guys and people that I know like to play racing games. It's the only games that they can actually get intellectually, but it's pretty straightforward. The graphics are amazing, and it's small. You don't have to like buy like 100 megabytes of data bundle. It's like 46 megabytes, and as you can see, it loads smoothly on this phone and other phones as well. But in this case, I put this on the list because let's say you're waiting for something, or you're in a minibus on public transport and you're going somewhere, and you'd like to waste a little bit of time. You're in line at a bank, you're sitting down, and you can just pop this out and play it. And it's very small, very straightforward. You earn money, you buy cars and upgrade your cars, and you can also race with other people from other countries. I don't think we're not included yet, but it's still a fun game to play and to master. It's nice, and it plays well. I'm using the S13. It's playing pretty well, pretty okay for a standard smartphone, a low-end smartphone. So here is Asphalt Nitro. And here is our next step, number 10, our last app. I'll be covering more apps as time goes. This is internet speed meter. This is a must. This is a must-have app on your smartphone. It's a meter that detects whether or not your bandwidth is picking up and all that. And I use this to see if the background apps that are actually eating up my bundles, because it shows, it's got a meter on top there, and it shows how many kilobytes, what speed you're on at that moment. If you're downloading something, it'll be picking. If you're not using the internet, it shouldn't be doing anything else. And if it's doing so, you will know that there's an app in the background that is eating up your data bundle. So here are some of the settings. You can change the color theme and all that. And thank you guys. Subscribe to the channel. This is Sly from the Gladius Lounge.